Want to turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost for your garden in just a few weeks? In this video, we'll show you how to create fast compost with simple steps. Let's dive in. To create compost quickly, you need a good balance of greens and browns. Greens, fresh kitchen scraps like fruit peels, vegetable waste and coffee grounds. Browns, dry leaves, straw, shredded newspaper and small branches. The secret to speeding up compost is cutting everything into small pieces. Shredding your brown materials and chopping your greens into tiny bits will help them break down faster. Now, layer your greens and browns in a compost bin or pile. Start with a layer of browns at the bottom, followed by a layer of greens. Alternate the layers until you've built up your pile. Keep your compost moist but not soaked. Water your pile as you add new layers. Turning your compost every few days helps aerate the pile, which is crucial for speeding up decomposition. To get quick compost, your pile needs to stay warm, ideally between 55 degrees Celsius and 65 degrees Celsius, 130 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat helps break down organic matter faster. If it's too cold, try adding more greens and turning it more often. After about 4 to 6 weeks of turning, watering, and maintaining heat, your compost should be dark, crumbly, and smell earthy. This means it's ready to use in your garden. And there you have it. Fast, easy compost that will help your plants thrive. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on sustainable farming and gardening.